Many people today turn to digital solutions to save operational costs, expand their reach, and make money online. Not only that, but various new job opportunities have also taken the spotlight thanks to the rapid growth of technological advances and remote work trends. As a result, practically anyone can supplement their income by offering services or selling their creations through various online platforms. Today, I'm going to show you easiest way to make $500 plus a day online fast for free. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Businesses like mine that make $500 a day rely on streams of passive income. This means they set something up ahead of time that continually makes them money, even when they sleep. The money isn't just handed to them. They've spent the time to make it happen. In my plan to scale my income over the next few years, I've researched what I can do now that'll benefit me in the future. If you're interested in getting started, I can show you the steps on how you can make $500 a day with just 20 minutes of work. Online jobs that pay $500 a day. Look, while I'd love to give you the magic recipe on how to make $500 fast, there isn't one. These online jobs that pay $500 a day can be done, but there's no guarantee. You need to put in the time to make these jobs profitable. Sell on Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA gives you the opportunity to sell to customers without the hassle of having to keep your inventory on hand. Amazon customer service takes care of everything for you, down to any returns or dealing with angry customers. Start a blog. Most of my income is from blogging. I make more than $500 per day in passive income from my blog alone. As a blogger, there are numerous ways to make $500 fast. Depending on the type of blog you create, you can start earning by sharing links and promoting products that you are using. Additionally, bloggers can make money posting ads on their site, creating sponsored posts, or offering services on their blog. To scale your blog to $500 a day, you would need to invest your time in making connections, promoting products regularly, and creating content consistently. The only initial monetary investment you need to start a blog is a few dollars per month to host your site online. Become a freelance writer. Freelance writing is something many start out with to build a writing career. You can write for a variety of sites, blogs, publications, and then some. Some writers can work up to earning 50 cents to $1 per word. To put that in perspective, many blog posts range from 500 to 1,000 words and can be written in just a few hours. Experienced writers have learned how to get $500 in an hour. As a new freelance writer, it will take some time and experience in order for your earnings to get up to that range. Sharpening your skills can lead to earning an average of $500 a day. Proofreading. Proofreading is simply rereading someone else's writing. Sometimes a second set of eyes can make all the difference to catching any grammar or punctuation errors before publication. Becoming a proofreader is a necessary service any business can benefit from. Additionally, resources like Caitlin Pyle's free workshop are helpful for learning how you can get into the proofreading world and where you can find clients. Scale your business and services even more and make $500 a day by working with subcontractors. This way, you can take on more work and earn more money. Become a respondent. Becoming a respondent means you can add value to someone's life by giving them advice. The advice you give is based on your expertise and experience. Respondent.io is a high-paying platform that facilitates in-person and remote opportunities to earn money participating in studies. The topics range from medical advice to mechanical questions to financial advice and more. Sell printables on Etsy. Printables are an easy way to earn passive income. I sell printables on Etsy. And while I may not make $500 a day now doing this, I'm making plans to boost my income to get closer to this amount. printables are great because you spend some time in the beginning creating them, and then they can earn you money for years to come. A little bit of time investment, and you could have a successful printable shop that can earn you some big bucks. Selling printables on Etsy does take time to see a significant income. When you start your own Etsy shop, it might be a while before others see your shop because you're new. Once you begin making sales and collecting reviews, your shop will become more visible. Negotiate your bills. Using a tool like BillShark, you can actually negotiate down your current monthly bills. Things like credit card bills, cable TV charges, phone rates, and more can be hefty. Bringing those bills down can accumulate to as much as $500. Open a new credit card. This might sound silly, but opening a new credit card could get you some extra cash. Some companies offer cash or points rewards to open and use a new card. Make sure to read the fine print to know what the requirements are to get the cash or points so you don't miss your opportunity. Get cash back from Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback website that's partnered with over 2,000 online stores to give you 1% to 40% cash back on all of your purchases online. And that's not all. You can make $500 through the Rakuten referral program. If you've got lots of friends who do online shopping, you can refer them to Rakuten and make $25 per person. Not much work is needed on your part. You simply refer people to the website and earn free money whenever a new person signs up using your affiliate link. And there is no limit of the number of people to invite. You can invite as many people as you'd like. Join Fiverr and earn $500 in a week. Offering your freelance services on Fiverr can be a great way to bring in extra cash fast. Joining Fiverr is quick and easy. Takes 5 minutes max, and you can set up your services and start earning as early as today. You sell your services starting at $5, but there's room to charge more per order, up to $1,500 on larger projects. I worked for Fiverr for a number of years, and I earned $500 in a week. Find out if stores owe you money. Did you buy stuff recently and the prices of those items dropped? It's time to get the extra money back. You can use this cool app called Paribus to get your refunds. Paribus is a free app that scans your emails for any online purchases across hundreds of retailers. When they find a price drop on an item or items, they work hard to ensure that you get the extra cash back. You don't even need to know that there's a price drop. You'll just receive the refunds once the whole process is over. How cool is that? With this unique tool, you could earn $20 to $100, or you can even make $200 fast. Become an Airbnb host. If you have an extra room in your house that you don't use, you can rent it out to guests using the Airbnb app and make an extra $500 or more per week. Not sure how to go about it? Just head on over to Airbnb and look around. Airbnb will even tell you how much you can earn per month in your side of town. For example, Airbnb is telling me that my side of town can earn me up to $756 per month. That's extra income I can get every single month for taking just a few simple steps. I love Airbnb because it's free to join and very easy to create a listing. Guests are pre-screened before coming, and they pay before they arrive. You don't have to worry about them not paying because Airbnb makes sure that you get your money via PayPal, direct deposit, or international money transfer. Sell stock photos online. Selling stock photos is a great passive income stream you can build with just a camera and some basic photo editing software in less than a week. Selling photos on sites like Shutterstock can net you $500 or more every day, depending on the number of photos you have. You'll need to be comfortable taking pictures and editing them to sell online. Once you've taken a few pictures and have them edited to your liking, you can submit them for sale online. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.